Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. My most honorable brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your host Sheikh Khokhar is at your service. Today I am talking about a dua, begging from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is our Khalik, Malik and Razak. We are his slave, we are his beggar. In the Quran Majid, very clear, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us advice. وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمْ بِدْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. Your Lord has proclaimed, whenever you need anything, beg from me, I'll accept it. Every dua of the moment is accepted. Sometimes acceptance shows right way. Right way what we begging Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept it. Sometimes the acceptance is delayed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us what we want after a while. Why? He is Hakim. He is wise. What to give my banda, my servant, how much and when. Sometimes, instead of that particular dua's acceptance, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala remove some difficulty which is falling on me in the future. And the other aspect, sometimes that particular dua is not accepted at all in the dunya. Under his wisdom, under his hikmah, he saves that dua for the akhirah. In the akhirah, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala start blessing the reward of the duas which were not accepted in the dunya, then slave will ask Allah, we will wish, Ya Allah, no, our dua should have been accepted in the dunya. So much reward will be given in the akhirah. So conclusion, rest assured, our every dua is accepted. Every dua is accepted. And we should not feel miser, feel little to beg. Even very small item, we should beg from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Under the Hadith Pak, even we need salt, we should beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If lashes of the shoe are broken, beg from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So therefore, please remember that whenever we need anything, now first of all, we should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, bless me what I want. And then adopt all possible means what you can. After adopting all possible means to achieve that goal, then tawakkal, trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, what He bless you, when He bless you, how much He bless you, mashallah, we should accept wholeheartedly. So conclusion, please, anytime we have any problem, any need, we should go back to our Khalik and Malik, our beloved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and beg Him. The best way, make 2 rak'ah salatul hajjah, and then make a dua, special dua or salatul hajjah, ask Him. Inshallah, you will get it. We will remain always successful. And we should be proud of being Ummati Hadrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should be proud of our Khalik and Malik, our Razak, is ever listening to us. Akhir da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.